I know you have two duties. What are the two duties? So I must really, Senthil Kumar, very happy that I lucky to share dais with him in a function in Nitraj College, and Mr. Anil Kumar. I want to introduce my team. Krishna Kumar, where is Krishna Kumar? Youth Ex-Nora leader. If we start talking about him, it will take 10 minutes. He was the one who filed a case in the High Court of the missing street children who saved the trees. You don't need to plant trees. If you save the trees, already planted is enough. So Girivara Padai, he went to Screen Tribunal. So many things he did. Recently he planted with the Commissioner of Police, how many trees?
2000.
2000 trees. So it's a Marat Tamilan, okay. Krishna Kumar and Rajesh Segar. Where is Rajesh Segar? Rajesh Segar. These are all future heroes, future leaders, I guarantee you. And we have two knowledge sheds. Mogana Sundaram, give a very big hand. And Veliyappan. I want to say, start with what Mogana Sundaram and Veliyappan are doing. So whatever you did is good, but it's not sufficient. But you have two responsibility. You know what is the two responsibility? You're doubly responsible. Why? Come on, somebody, it will be monologue. You should also talk. Why you are more responsible than anybody else? PSO. PSU. No, not that. Okay, no.
We have to leave behind.
No, that's all there. See, I'll tell you. Number one, we are all born. Even somebody, so the father is old, he's in a bed. He is also contributing carbon footprint because he breathes. Of course, you give him food and all. This all come, But more important, you are from Indian oil. The major contributor, fossil fuel, solid and liquid. Okay, they burn coal to get electricity. We use automobile oil. So you got a more responsibility. So I'll be sharing some ideas. And I know when I say global warming or climate change, people think it's happening somewhere else. Climate change happens globally, but repercussions are local. You must understand that. Number two, if I talk climate change, people say immediately, how does it concern me? But pollution. The pollution is very high. And the pollution is increasing. You must know that in Tamil Nadu, they declare holiday for floods and cyclone. In Beijing, they say today the air pollution is very high, don't go out of your house. So it's happening like that. It's not far off. The day is not far off when we'll also do. I'm happy. But what you should do, you have a very good reach as Indian Oil because you have so many petrol stations and you have customers direct contact. And the people who consume petrol, automobile owners also responsible for climate change. You must involve them. And I'll tell you how you can involve. That's going to be my topic. I want to ask how many of you do source segregation of waste? Please lift your hand. Okay. Then when you do so, what do you do? Can you tell me what do you do with it? When you segregate waste, what do you do with it? What happens to it?
We have a compost thing in our
Building.
garden, and all the vegetable waste are segregated and put into that, and then we use that soil for other trees and plants.
What happens to other waste? Paper.
Plastic waste are being given to the corporation person who comes and collects.
Okay. What about you?
Yeah, me too, sir. The dry waste is being collected by one organization called Trash Daddy. They take all the dry waste and the vegetable peels, fruits and all, with the use of the cocoa pit, we are biocomposting, and hardly anything is left out for as such as a
Satyakshara, I appreciate. And some more people told, I'm very happy. I think you don't need Nirmal. There are role models here. I appreciate them. And Ex-Nora will the ED's person will recognize you. All of you do that, okay? And I want to share one or two of my own quotes. Stop preaching, start doing. The world will be blessed by one crook, at least you or me. So all of us good in preaching. What we do is blame game. I blame the government blames me like that. I am in Coimbatore. Arrogant, majestic towers, tall, towering, imposing building, which they say is very highly polluted of Chennai because there are 3 bus stands, number of bus stands as a matter of fact, and 3 big markets, a road connecting Kashmir to Kanyakumari, all there. I know well, I can't cut down that flow of traffic even by one. It increases every day because Monday through Friday, 2,000 new vehicles are registered. Naturally. Don't worry, take it easy. So what happens, I know well I can't cut, I want to tell you straight away, as I told my own belief, there's no pollution in my house. How? I live in a flat, 12th floor. So what I did, something extreme, okay? You can be an extremist in environmentalism. So I am growing 1,700 real plants inside my flat. I know well, Tamil Nadu Pollution Control kept a machine, measured the content, they said, best of both worlds, you live in Coimbatore but your flat has no pollution. Is it possible or not? Tell me yes, come on. Yes or no? Number two, what the spark came to me was, somebody gave me some plant, I was very excited, it looked so beautiful. The moment I touched it, I found it was plastic, synthetic. The last very threatening, made in China. I never buy anything made in China because I'm a patriotic Indian. You know Tamil? You can't give milk to snake. If you give 100 rupees to China, 50 rupees he'll make a gun and shoot you, kill you. You'll say Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, all mine. Why you? I am now trying to use mobile without made in China. Okay? So this problem solved, right? Okay, whatever I say you have to believe, but you can come, but check up whether I am there or not. I'll say in Tamil and then English. Perappu theriyum, irappu theriyadu. Nadupradhu veruppu. You want English translation? All of us know birth, we don't know death. Why you have hate in between? The moment I see somebody, I want to know whether he is the same language or same religion or same caste, creed. So my wife is a doctor, she was director of MMC and she is the most tolerant woman than the Puma Devi, okay. So with her permission, I got 10 temples of 10 faiths inside my flat. We have a church, we have a mosque, we have a Hindu temples, Buddha temple and all. And November 13th, 2 bishops, because Christians have 2 bishops, Catholics and Protestants, and then Buddhist monk, and all the people came. 60 children from SBOA school, 3 boys, 3 girls from each religion came. They all prayed together at the same time. They went and said, we are very happy. How do you feel? Why this hate? Okay? We are all Indians, okay? Let us be proud to be Indians. So unity is important, because why I started this was, whatever I try to do, immediately communal things come at the state level or building level. Let us not do that, okay? I will make a small video ready, Apathambi. Okay. So what I want to say, I am not a person, election campaign. It's not election campaign. If you can register your mind, it's well and good. It's for you to make use of it.